All these switches, they are Gateron switches. They are not real MX Cherry switches, but they are very close to the MX Cherry switches. Let's move a bit at the top. If people thought that red switches are silent switches, then yellow and orange then are even more silenced. Of course, the blue one is the loudest of them all. I just put it here so you guys have an idea how it sounds. But of course, the most importantly is red switches with these new yellows and orange. And for me, yellows are the quietest of them all, because look at when you press, the orange one is a bit louder, but they're very close. Yeah, well, for me now, when seeing these two side by side, red ones are actually pretty loud. I loved actually the sound of this keyboard. Seeing these yellows, it's like the red ones doesn't even feel good. When I firstly heard about yellow switches and orange switches, I was kinda like, what? What are you guys even talking about? There are no yellows and orange switches. But well, that was until today. And I'm really impressed by these yellow switches. They're really quiet and I really like the feel and the sound. Pressing on it, it's very smooth and the sound is also very smooth. I really like it. Yeah, definitely orange are a bit more louder. It's still quite as smooth as the yellow ones. It's just when you press it all the way down, then orange makes a little more noise. I know this is all written in Chinese. I don't understand it myself neither, but if we take a look here, there are yellow switches, orange switches, blue switches, of course, these ones, green switches. Never tried green switches. Uh, these look like black switches, but this one look also like black switches. Then red switches, of course, and then gray switches and white or transparent switches. But yellow and orange I definitely didn't really see any. But anyway, I'm gonna leave the links down in the description below, guys, so you can take a look by yourself. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this comparison was useful. So I see you in the next one.